Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Anup Salunke, student of Zeal Polytechnic. Our group member is
I am Hemant Pawar.
My name is Pankaj Takle.
Hi guys, my name is Omkar Davale.
Now we are performing my project on emerging trends in mechanical, whose subject is report on pre-harvest and post-harvesting using recent agriculture method. This activity is possible due to Professor Ajinkya Dhawale and Professor M.M. Devkare. Thanks to both of them. Let us start the video. Our subject name is report on pre and post-harvesting using recent agriculture equipment. What is harvesting? The history of agriculture begins thousands of years ago, but by the topic we discuss about method of harvesting. First we know what is harvesting. Harvesting is the process of gathering and reap crop from the field. Harvesting is the most labor-intensive activity of growing season. This figure shows the example of kharif rice production of India, and India is the world's second largest producer of rice. Pre-harvest. Pre-harvest is the manual method of threshing in fields, and this process is performed farmers many years ago. In this slide, we cover the small points of pre-harvest. Post-harvest. Post-harvest is the science and technique applied to agriculture produced after harvest to requirement of people in relation to their needs. This is the definition of threshing. Method of threshing. This figure shows the method of threshing by performing pre and post harvesting. Let us see one by one. First, manual threshing. The common method for manual threshing is hand beating against an object, threading, or by holding the crop against a log of wood. Second, threshing with animal. Threshing can also be done with help of animal as shown in the picture. Third, threshing machine. This picture shows the threshing machine using mechanical equipment. Fourth, combined harvester. This picture shows the modern method of harvesting to perform to separate harvest operation like reaping, threshing, gathering, and winnowing. Conclusion. In this report, we studied about pre-harvest and post-harvest working and agriculture equipment used for rice harvest and their capacity. Because of modern machine, farmer stress is reduced. Machines are helping to farmer. It takes less time to remove rice. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.